This is him! Oh! Sammy, isn't this too much?
What are you talking about?
Mostly about you.
Well, to live my life to the fullest and don't deny myself anything. That is my new slimolosophy.
What a statement! Please educate me on that.
Easy peasy. Start with yourself.
What do you mean?
Wait! I mean your phone. This design is so non-slimish.
Please share a secretive slime design with me.
Okay, guys, you have to join us too.
Hi, guys. Sam's out somewhere. Should we call for him?
No need, I'm here. I was dealing with your phone, Susie.
Plastic wrap? Is this your genius design idea?
Hail Tibidaba, it's not! I'm better than that. Anyway, we'll make not one, but several designs today.
Wow, I love the first one already. So, where shall we start?
Let's start making a foam paper frame. Here you go.
That I can do. Guys, be very careful. And don't glue yourselves to the foam paper. This is how it's done. So now we have a stretchy foam paper frame. Let's put it on. Just hold the phone in its place and pull the frame on it.
Wow, Sue, it looks so cool!
Let's move on to the next stage. We'll transfer this design to the foam paper. And here is where the magic begins. And this is it.
I have a black one. It's always in trend.
How should we… Sammy, what are you plotting at?
Susie, you don't get it? I mimicked the pink bottle shadow.
All right, but now calm your shadow down.
Making an outline, you can read my mind.
Totally! Now we've got a phone shape on the pink bottle. Let's cut it out. Bam! Ta-da!
Shiver me cheddars, the shadow doesn't match the bottle anymore.
So it transforms the shadow into a base for our phone case. Now we'll transfer the shape of the cell phone to the back of the bottle, like this. Easy peasy. And then we'll just glue it to the case frame. Don't add the glue onto the phone, though.
Otherwise, you will never change its case! Ever! Follow us to learn more craft tricks. We have plenty on our channel.
Check out this lively foam paper. It signals the beginning of the next stage of this craft.
By the mozzarella, it looks like a snake!
It'll be hidden under the upper foam layer, so enjoy the view while you can. Glue is a must in this craft. Make sure you have enough beforehand.
I control all of the stocks in this house, so I can make a profitable bargain.
Does this look like a good deal?
Absolutely!
Let's attach the foam paper strips to the sides. This part will also be hidden under the layers.
Ah! Susie, help me! I got stuck in here!
Is this your little mischief again? Be careful!
It's not me! I was framed!
That's for sure. Guys, stay tuned. The bottle case is almost done.
Interesting.
What? Something didn't go well according to your slimolosophy?
I've just checked my measurements. I have an eagle eye.
Okay, let's see what you've got and cover the sides with this black strip. Wow, it fits perfectly! Sammy, you did great.
Wait till you see what I've prepared for the case design. I'll be right back. Shiver me cheddars! Have you finished already?
Sorry, I couldn't wait. Give that to me, please.
Okay, Susie, here. Now you've got everything.
Finally! Guys, check this out. We're gonna decorate the back side of the case. Oops, but the bottle is empty. Sammy, you defo hid something in your stocks.
Uh-oh. Sue, here is my stock.
Sammy, you're making a mess.
Oops, but still you've got everything now.
Then let's use some magic and hop. Wow! Would you look at this, guys?
Sue, let me add some details. You'll love it. Like this. And here. Almost done. Another dot. Awesome! Sue, check it out! You'll be amazed!
You did great, Sammy. And it's high time to try this case on. There you go. Ah, it fits perfectly.
Told you you were gonna love it.
Wow, it totally blasts. I wonder what you've prepared for the next phone case.
Give me a second. Here, have a look at this. I've made some sketches. What do you think?
Guys, check this out! Do we have a sweet tooth here? Give a thumbs up! Sammy, you've already cut everything out! You're so prudent today!
That's why I kept the plastic wrap we'd used earlier! Don't use it mindlessly!
Guys, all of the steps are already familiar to you. We'll glue the frame to the back side of the case, but very carefully.
I'm Dr. Slime Octopus, and I will help you!
Oh, guys! Sam Octopus sacrificed his foam paper tentacles for the craft.
I just hope that you'll lend me that case someday.
Deal!
Ah!
And I'm curious, what does this ice cream taste like? Any guesses?
We don't need to guess. Let's unlock the phone and see.
Well, that was obvious. Sam is everywhere. I don't mind, though.
Guys, subscribe to our channel. You'll certainly find a craft for your taste. Ah! Susie, the ice cream is melting!
It's a disaster for sure. Let's save it quickly. See, nothing to worry about. Chill out.
I've just tricked you so that I had time to make this.
What a mischievous slime. Let's attach this to the side, guys. The foam paper is bending well, but you may need a ruler to press it to the sides in narrow places. The black ice cream looks trendy, but I'd appreciate some colorful decor.
That's a call for me! I'm ready to dedicate my heart to it! This ice cream is gonna be pink as raspberry!
Yeah, you wanted to say pink as you, right?
That's not exactly true! Don't talk down on me!
Please don't sulk, Sammy. I have a treat for you.
You know how to persuade me! Thanks! It's gonna be cool! I'll leave the case and you get the phone!
Works for me, because I'll make the final and the best phone case for today. Hop! Guys, will you join me here?
I'm in! Let's start with the shape of a tin can!
Correct, Sammy!
Yippee!
Based on our previous experience, that was a piece of cake.
Sue, take the phone! You're gonna need it!
Let's repeat all of the steps. We'll add some volume. Next goes the upper lid.
Guys, you can make anything using only foam paper!
I know one thing that you can't craft, though. Do you want to know what it is?
Huh, something too expensive? Is that a unicorn?
Yeah, kind of. It's true friendship.
Ugh, so cheesy! Though Susie is right, guys. Give a thumbs up if you agree and don't forget to subscribe!
Well, we've managed with this phone case pretty fast. All we need is some decor.
And it's already here! Susie, pick the first piece!
We'll start from the bottom again. Hop!
It looks so pretty! Slimy pink and slimy blue decor pieces! It's so slimosophical! Here's something more!
So, every color is slimy now, huh? No judgment, I love it! I also dedicate my heart to this phone case.
Sue, now you have your signature phone case!
Yes, Sammy, and it's amazing!
Woohoo!
Now, which one should I choose? Sammy, what do you think?
Maybe you can change them every day? At least I do that! Guys, let's have another look at our phone cases! Yep. No way! Are you kidding me? No way! Tell me more. Susie, I need your phone real quick. It's an emergency.
But you've already got two! Spare me one at least.
My slimolosophy says that you should get a different phone with a different case for every occasion.
And my Susalosophy wants to remind you that this is all mine. I'm not sharing them.
Guys, did you see that? Susan has just outsmarted me.
Guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!
Bye!